Hey guys! Today we're building a super fun tap ball game in iOS using SwiftUI. Here's the game. You tap the ball, score increases, the ball moves randomly, and you've got 30 seconds to score as much as possible. If you want the full source code for iOS app, check the link in description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app development content.